Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the respiratory system. All organs and structures of the respiratory system is in the thorax, which is a part of the body between the neck and abdomen. The respiratory system works together with the circulatory system for cellular respiration process. The respiratory system has two zones. The first one is conducting zone. Conducting zone structures and organs are the nose, mouth, lungs, larynx, nasal cavity, trachea, and pharynx. The nose is supported by bone and cartilage and has hair inside. Along with the sinuses which produces mucus to moisturize inside the nose, air is filtered from dust, dirt, microorganisms, and air is moistened and warmed. The lung is an organ where gas exchange occurs. The trachea branches into two airways, one for each lung, right bronchi and left bronchi. There are cartilage rings in the walls of the trachea to prevent it from collapsing when the air pressure increase or decrease in the lungs. Respiratory zone. The respiratory zone is where gaseous exchange occurs. It includes the bronchi, which splits into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, then further end up in microscopic air sacs called alveoli. The small air sacs are the site of gaseous exchange. The thorax structures also includes rib cage, intercostal muscles, pleural membranes, and diaphragm. The rib cage protects internal organs of the thorax. Intercostal muscles are muscles between the ribs and it aids in breathing. The diaphragm is a muscle below the ribs and it aids in breathing. Pleural membranes surrounds each lung. It helps to reduce friction between the lungs and the inside of the chest wall along with pleural fluid. Ventilation. Ribs, intercostal muscles, and diaphragm aid in ventilation. During inhalation, internal intercostal muscles relax, and external intercostal muscles contract. This will pull the ribcage upwards and outwards. At the same time, the diaphragm contracts, pulling downwards. As a result, lung volume increases and air pressure inside decreases, and air is pushed into the lungs. During exhalation, external intercostal muscles relax, and internal intercostals contract, pulling the ribcage downwards and inwards. At the same time, the diaphragm relaxes, moving back and upwards. As a result, lung volume decreases and the air pressure inside increases, and air is pushed out of the lungs. Gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange happens in the lungs by diffusion. In the process of diffusion, a substance tends to move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, until both regions become equally concentrated. Gaseous exchange in the lungs happens in the alveoli, and the alveoli features is adapted so this can happen easily and fast without requiring any energy by simple diffusion. The alveoli have thin walls, as just one cell thick to make diffusion easier, and permeable walls allow gases exchange. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are nonpolar molecules, and can diffuse down the concentration gradient directly through the plasma membrane, without requiring any channels or carrier protein. The alveoli has a large surface area so it can exchange more molecules. It has a moist surface because gases dissolve in the moisture, helping them to pass across the gas exchange surface. The alveoli has an extensive blood supply, to ensure oxygen molecules are picked up and carbon dioxide molecules are dispensed. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe, like, and share.